Good morning, fourth class. Today we are going to start a chapter number 4, qualities of good students. So students, you know what are the qualities of good students? First one is excellence in matters. So what it means? Student, he or she will be able to do a good in a study. He will be excellent in a study. Second one is thirst of knowledge. Thirst for so he will explore all sources of knowledge available to him, right? Third one is respect for others. One who is really educated will always be humble and will respect to the others. So students must be respect our elders, and so that they give us blessing, right? Educated person is that who always will respect to the others. Fourth one is readiness to work hard. A good student always be ready to work hard. He never afraid to work. Fifth one, attitude of teacher. So attitude of teacher should be good, should be having a source of knowledge, so that student we respect them. Question number 6, punctuality and responsibility. A student should be punctual, should be responsible regarding to their study, their classes, their games, etc. Character formation. It's a very important part, students. Character formation is an important part of education. All the knowledge in a world will not help a person whose character is lost. So try to build a very high character. Learning from experience. Experience is the best teacher, because the lesson learned from experience we never forget, right? So I tell you many times that practice make a man perfect. It means that learning make a man perfect, right? Now come on a second topic, danger behind bad habits. Come on a second topic, that is danger behind So student, I tell you a very little story. After that this chapter is complete. So a teacher found that one of her student developing some bad habits, right? She decided to correct it, okay? And teacher took the student for a stroll through a garden, and she was asking about the bad habits, and teacher asked the student to pull a very small plant, right? So student pull it and hold within these 2 fingers, right? Student easily pull out it. After that, teacher asked the student to pull that bigger plant. So student tried to pull it, and it may pulled hard and plane come out. Now plant come out and the roots are also come out, and after that teacher give a sign to the guava tree. So students try to pull out, but it is not possible, then this side then it indicates that. Then teacher asked the boy that if we have a bad habits, then what we can do, if they are cultivated in between in us, then we cannot be rooted up. So try to avoid the bad habits. With this, student understand, and with this chapter is complete. Thank you and have a nice day.